On a regular basis, I'm pouring into my cup. But what would happen if he started pouring into mine?
When I'm talking to you, I don't know what to say. But I can call up a stranger and talk my whole life away. I'm fucking margaritas. I didn't know that was a thing. Carry me home or marry me now. I promise you everything.
It's really something about the intentions you put into yourself that really spark the flame. Like a fire, I'm heated. The air is cold, but I'm warm inside. From the love I give myself. My standards are high. The tone is set for how I want to be loved. A full glass. Nobody is obligated to show up for me, but me. So when it does happen, I'm too stunned to speak.
Is you ready, baby? You so ready? Is you ready, baby? Cause you know I won't be selfish. Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? You so ready? Is you ready, baby? Cause you know I won't be selfish. It is all for you. Girl, my bad, I just can't be. Girl, you taste so good. Loving yourself, no, rapping till I.
Wow. Just wow. Just wow. What I walked into, what? Like, y'all, I've been so stressed out since I got back from Greece. And y'all, I had to hop right back into work. And the time is just going so fast. Like, slow down. I haven't even been able to catch up on sleep. I've been moving, I've been working. I'm tired. I haven't even been able to function. I'm just like, wait, what? Like, I don't even know what to say right now. I'm just so in shock. Like, I'm just like, just so grateful. But I'm just like in shock. Like, I'm just like, wow, I'm just so grateful because y'all don't understand. Okay, so we were on a walk, right? Because I was like, oh, I want to just go outside and maybe go to the museum, just something like casual. There's a new restaurant that opened that I wanted to go eat at, but I wasn't, appropriate. He was like,
Oh, yeah, let's go.
I'm like, no, I'm not going into a restaurant and I look dusty, crusty. So he was like,
We can just go see it. We're not gonna see it. We can just go see it, whatever.
I was like, okay. And then we went somewhere else. He was like,
We're gonna stop somewhere.
and I was like, okay. So then he was like,
Come in with me.
I walk into this. I'm like, what? I'm like, no. Like, and he knows how much I've been stressed. I haven't been able to do self-care, like pour into myself and just be. And he's allowing me to just be. He's like,
You know what? I'll see you soon. I'll see you in a minute. I got errands to run. But you just relax.
Vogue said it's embarrassing to have a boyfriend. I'm not embarrassed. I'm happy. Thank you. Don't get it twisted. No man makes me have a personality. Thank you. Yeah, I'm grateful. I told him I wanted to get a hotel room because I wanted to film this video. And he got me all the items that I wanted to feature in this video. Y'all, he wrote me a note. I know you've been stressed, so here's some self-care for you to relax. See you soon. This is crazy. This man shows up for me and all I have to do is exist. But hold on, let me show you what this man got me, okay? So I've been wanting to, this man pays attention. I love a man that pays attention. I've been selling, can y'all tell I'm excited? He got me this Pattern Body Nourishing Body Oil. Y'all, I've been wanting to try this body oil for so long because it just came out. I believe Pattern Body just dropped. And so many people have raved about this Nourishing Body Oil. Because I cannot wait to soak in this bath, exfoliate. I literally told this man I haven't exfoliated. Y'all, I've been telling him I love you to the people. I love their body care products, their skincare. It just 10 out of 10. So he got me the Spooling Body Scrub by You to the People. Ding, 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 ding. We're up 10 points. I cannot wait to try this out and y'all be able to try these products out too because guess what? The Sephora Savings event is finally here. It's happening right now, y'all. Right now as we speak. speak. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. And yes, he did get these items from me, but tell him the Sephora savings event is here right now so he can go grab those self-care items for you too. Nobody needs a man, we're the rich man. So make sure you treat yourself too, rack up. It's so many savings that you can save on during the Sephora savings event. The Sephora collection is 30% off starting now through November 10th. And Rouge members come to the front. We get 20% off starting now through November 10th. DRB members get 15% off starting November 4th through November 10th. Insiders get 10% off starting November 4th through November 10th. And girl, of course you have to be a Beauty Insider member for you to save, okay? So make sure you click the link down below so you can sign up, and it's free. And this is happening in store and online. And for my online girlies, all you need to do is use code everything at checkout. And thank you Sephora for sponsoring this video. But y'all, I'm just so shocked on what he got me. It doesn't stop there. This man knows I love the Biodance sheet mask. He went to go get me the gift set. Been so long since I did a face mask. Like, y'all don't know how excited I am. And then I also told him I wanted to try the new Rhode eye mask. Y'all know I love topicals eye masks, but I was like, let me see what the hype is about Rhode. I cannot wait to indulge in these products. I think he used some of this in a bathtub. He knows that I love the Salt and Stone Black Rose and Oud. This one is my favorite scent. It smells so good. Y'all, I gotta get ready. Like, I get to enjoy my me time. He set it all up for me, and all I have to do is enjoy it. I'm about to tap into my feminine energy.
Feminine energy.
Who run the world? Let me catch my breath. Woo! But he is coming back. I don't know how long he's about to take, but I'm about to take my time. He said, take your time. Do you, and I'm gonna be back. It's giving staycation, so I still want to give like a bombshell. Yeah. Hey, hey. And I also been putting my rods in a certain type of way so it can give like body. Who run the world, girl? One thing about me, I'm a product junkie. But honestly, the products only scratch the surface on what self-care can give you. It promotes health, girl. Like an apple a day, we need a face mask a day. Because when you look good, you feel good. For your mental and your emotional well-being, it's necessary. And this is the type of power I like to embody. And it might get a little hot and steamy.
What's up, baby? I'm so in love with you. Now that you're here, I got something to say, baby. I think that you should know you're doing the motion, so don't worry about the situation. I'd never let you go. Can you handle it if I go there, baby, with you?
I can handle it. I can go there, baby, with you.
Oh, I hear you talking, babe. Can you handle it? Can I go there, baby, with you? We gon' set it up. We gon' tear it up. Baby, can you handle?
The skin is skinning. I know you're supposed to leave this on for like 8 hours, but baby, I don't have the time. But it did what it needed to do. And that bath was hot and steamy. Your girl was parched, but I do need to wash my face, and I've been keeping my skincare to a minimum because I've really been focusing on the inside. So with that being said, I've been using gentle products on my skin, and this kale green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser by You to the People is my tea. I just love how it makes my skin feel, and it's just a good overall gentle cleanser. I have to emulsify. And to get the most out of your cleanser, try to apply it like a mask first and leave it on for a couple seconds and then activate it with water. I never like to apply products on a dry face because if you think about it, think of a sponge, okay? When it's wet, what does it do? What does it do? What does it do? It absorbs. My esthetician taught me that. Make sure you're always spraying your face before you start applying products. That's the key. I said I've been wanting to keep my skincare at a minimum, but I still want my skin to look plump, fresh, firm, and hydrated. So I love using the Sephora Lip and Firm Plumping Day Cream. And this has peptides and hyaluronic acid. So I'm gonna get that hydration that I need and also those peptides for my skin. Okay, don't sleep on Sephora. They really have some good products, y'all. From the powders, the lip glosses, everything. And it is 30% off, so make sure you go ahead and use that. Look at the glow. Okay, period. Look at the glow, period. And it's going to hydrate in snatch. And they have this as an eye cream too, but I just like to apply this right under my eyes to also get those benefits as well. It really has been saving my skin during these stress times. I just love when my skin is eating. Nothing like a fresh face mug, okay? It's sitting. Also that body scrub, baby, my skin feels so soft like a baby. Like a baby. Laka. Shaka laka. This Donna Karan Cashmere deodorant is one of my favorite deodorants. I swear to y'all, I always get so many questions about hyperpigmentation underneath the armpits. Y'all, this has helped so much. It smells so good and fresh. Like I said, I've been obsessed with You to the People. This Firm and Glow Daydream Body Butter. Y'all, I tried this as a sample first, like, you know, a travel version. I'm obsessed with this. I need the full size bottle. And I will be getting more during the Sephora savings event because it just smells so good and fresh. And it's just so hydrating to the skin. And y'all know I love a good body glow. And I love that it has firming benefits to it. Because, baby, we need to be firm all around. Period. Finally, I've been trying to catch your boys all day. Finally, we get to try the body oil. Period. Oh, she's runny. I lock this all in. Oh, she smells good. Oh, yes. I'm about to finish up my skincare really fast, but I do want to apply these under eye patches because I want them to sit. I think you only have to have them on for like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. I'm about to... That oil, y'all, is giving slippery. I can't even open it. We're gonna see what these do.
I'll be more thoughtful. And you know, since we're taking requests, could you get your goddamn shoes off the floor?
Are you done?
No, I've got more.
You know, Drew, one of the homies asked me about you the other day, to my divine surprise, but I was like, nah.
You know I hate you being alone, but you said that you was only home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it. On top of you not calling me back. You see, I bet you think it's all on track, and you acting like it's all of it. I'm not feeling it. Let's go. I think it's time to go. Let's go. You know I'm on my own. Let's go. Frankly, I'm not getting it. I'm not feeling it. We are two places, but different paces. We in trouble, but you won't meet me at the bridge. It hurts, it feels too soon. Did you forget where God lives? What about my body? You don't want my body. Acting like I'm not nobody. You won't make me call somebody. What about my body? What about my body? You would rather go and party sometime, somewhere I'll be nice. You know I hate sleeping alone, but you said that you was only home. Baby, that was a long time ago. I'm not feeling it. On top of you not calling me back. See, I bet you think it's all.
If you can't tell already, baby, I am feeling myself. This is exactly what I needed, girl. So if you've been going through it, you deserve, okay? You don't need nobody to put you in a position like this, okay? No, it feels good to have somebody else do it for you, but don't get me wrong, I definitely could have did this myself, but this is exactly what I needed. I'm so happy. Like, This man really came through for your girl, and I'm just feeling myself, and I feel so excited to enjoy my nights because I'm looking good and I'm feeling good. Okay, period. And this red little number, this is fire. He picked this out. He had it ready for me, period. Okay, just how I like it. He knows I love pajamas, and this is period, like it. It's giving bombshell. So cute, and we cannot be a bombshell without our fragrance. And y'all, this Miu Miu fragrance right here, this smells so good. And that pattern body oil really dries down really well, but I just want to add a little more to the chest area to mix it in with the perfume. Just add a little bit more pizzazz. But no, I'm ready. I'm ready for my little staycation.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, and rock right up to the side of my mountain.
LOVE. It's a 4-letter word that is defined by actions. I introduce myself to love so I know how it feels when someone comes along, being in addition to the equation when it's already complete. The math will always add up when it's the right formula. My cup is full, but I guess it can be on overflow.